Oh shoot. Alright guys, we're outside today. And when I'm outside, I have my drone, so let's go fly. Got my mic right here, got my goggles. Bro, whenever I put these goggles on, I always look so weird. Like, imagine you're just a stranger and you don't know me and you just look at me like, bruh. It's so silly. All right, let's fly. Maybe we'll do some actual tricks this time, instead of me just being lazy. Sorry, goats. Try not to scare them, but I also did just fly right over them. So probably did scare them.
Bruh.
Ooh, branches. Hopefully I don't mess up my propellers. Don't want to get too close to branches. Power out of it. Go in the front yard. I feel like I'm not talking that much, but also I'm concentrating so hard I don't want to crash this. That's my favorite thing right there. When you just do the twist and, oh, it's just so fun. There's a truck, see if we can follow him. Don't want to get out of my range though. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh my gosh, that was a little bit close. That was fun. I won't get in no trouble though. Like getting too close to a worker's truck or something. Oh shoot, I just disarmed. Bro, I always disarm if I hit like anything. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Alright, there. Oh, it sounds a little bit weird. I'm gonna fly it back. Let me check on it real quick. Just some grass. I think we're good. Otherwise, yeah, we're all good. No propellers bent or anything. All right. Fly over here. I want to do a power loop, but I don't have anything to power loop through. And I'm not trying to be too risky this fight. Oh shoot. Shoot. No way, it's still good right now. I'm flying back though. Please be okay. Oh gosh. Look at this. The battery slid up this much, and my action camera is covered in mud right now. Like, bro. Well, hopefully you guys can still see. All right, let's do a little bit more flight. We still got about a minute. Yeah, that's why I need to be more careful. I was just saying that, and then I do that huge crash. Because I knew there was branches there, I just didn't know how to get out of it. Bring it back in. Clean it up. Alright, there you go. Let me stop recording. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe so I can get to 500 by 2027, which is a big deadline, but still, I'm trying to get there one way or another. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching.